Looks and smarts. This compact machine has it all. This is Zojirushi's 3-cup Micom rice cooker and warmer. This microcomputerized or Micom unit is equipped with advanced fuzzy logic technology that makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature to ensure the rice is cooked to perfection every time. Just set it and let it do its thing. One less pot on the stove, one less thing to think about. Zojirushi takes the guesswork out of cooking rice. This unit comes with the all-new steel-cut oatmeal setting and the long-grain white rice setting. Other pre-programmed settings include white or mixed rice, quick cooking, sushi rice, and brown rice. Expanded healthy menu option, the GABA brown rice setting, activates brown rice for added nutritional value. To cook rice, using the measuring cup provided, which measures slightly under a traditional cup size. Fill the cooker with your desired amount of rice. After washing your rice until the water runs clear, simply fill water to the line that matches the amount of rice you measured. In this case, 2 cups of white rice. The inner pan is clearly marked with high-contrast water level lines for improved visibility. This Micom rice cooker has a 3-cup capacity and is the perfect size for couples or smaller families, as it can cook as little as half a cup of rice or oats. The rice cooker's compact size and attractive clear-coated stainless steel exterior make it a modern, versatile addition to any kitchen. This model features a convenient detachable inner lid for easy cleaning. And it utilizes a triple heater, which generates heat from the bottom, sides, and lid to ensure even cooking. Another feature is an easy-to-read LCD display with clock and timer functions. There are 2 delay timers, so you can set the rice cooker to finish cooking rice for dinner, and use the second setting with the steel-cut oatmeal menu setting for a hot and healthy breakfast without the wait. For convenience, the unit will automatically switch to keep warm after cooking. The unit has a handy built-in retractable power cord, and accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, and rice measuring cup. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.